Oh, that was pretty cool. Alright guys, we are back with the latest offering from Traxxas, the Mini Rally VXL. This is got the licensed Ford RS 200 body. Beautiful car, awesome Group B rally car from the 80s. Really excited about this one. So let's go ahead, open it, and dig into it. Alright, let's dig right into this bad boy here. Now, this is the VXL. This is going to be very similar, even I think it's got the same gearing as the Mini XRT. So probably not a lot of difference there. And here's the box. And they done went and zip tied it. Alright, a little different. There's a battery, comes with a 2S battery. Alright, let me get something to cut those ties. Alright guys, there it is. There's the beautiful RS 200 body. And yeah, this thing is nice. I was actually looking real quick, and it actually does come with an optional pinion gear. So this isn't geared straight out of the factory like the Mini XRT is. So there is a gearing option. So I know some people had overheating issues with the Mini XRT. Well, it looks like this thing's going to be geared pretty conservative out of the box. We are going to run it on both, see what it does, and 3 and 2S. And yeah, so let's get this body off here. It's a clipless body. Things are on the sides. There's 1, 2. There we go. And this thing, honestly, in my opinion, looks close, pretty close, getting close to 10 scale size. This thing is longer wheelbase than all the other minis, the Mini Max, Mini XRT. A little wider. Well, not the XRT is wider because of the tires, but yeah, this thing is actually longer for sure than the other minis. And yeah, everything else, there's your 3S, motor setup. Nothing some pretty a lot of rebound there, real slow. All right, I'm going to mess with that a little bit. All right, let's see what else you get in the box here. All right, so there's everything. Comes with the 2S battery, of course, TQI radio, all the manuals and tools here. You got your preload spacers. There is the additional pinion and some stickers as well. And yeah, pretty simple stuff here. Nothing out of the ordinary for Traxxas on a vehicle at this price point. So that being said, the only thing left to do, get these batteries charged up, 2 and 3S. Get the GPS charged up, see what this thing is going to do, see how it drives. I think this thing is going to be a ton of fun. These tires are pretty interesting tread pattern here, but they're pretty stiff, so they should hold up to high speeds pretty good. All right, let's see what it's going to do. All right, guys, 2S battery charged up, GPS is in it. Just gonna drive it around. Oh, no, wrong one. That was an old one, not in this car. I'll try it. There we go. I'm gonna put the 3S in it. There you go. Put the 3S in it after this, see what it does on the stock gearing. This is the first time I haven't had to touch the steering trim. Yeah, no, it's pretty good actually. Usually with the Traxxas out of the box, I gotta play with steering trim, but oh, this thing is nice to drive. Slide it around. Oh, heck yeah. I had a feeling this thing was gonna be fun. Oh no! Hit my camera. All right. See what that says. It says good for 40 on 2S. There you go. Right at 40. All right. Let's go throw a 3S in it. See how much better it improves, and then do some more driving. All right. Got 3S battery in it. See what it does. Oh, that's definitely punchier for sure. Oh, that was pretty cool. Meant to do that. Totally meant to do that. Oopsie. I need a bigger area to run this. That was a pretty good hit. All right, that was fun. Stop. Read it. 56. Huh. You know what? I didn't look at the gearing was, but I wonder if the optional pinion is actually less teeth, and then maybe slow it down, because that's it says 55 plus out of the box or on the box, but usually, and it came with the pinion, you would assume that you'd have to add a pinion to go hit that speed, but it already did it, so I'm imagining that pinion's probably less teeth, probably bring the speed down some. Probably already had the big pinion on. I can confirm, look at the manual or just look at the pinion, but yeah, this thing is fun. yeah, so it comes with an optional 20 tooth pinion. What's installed from the factory is a 23 tooth. So any bashing, off-roading, grass, whatnot, install this one to further reduce, operating temperatures. So yeah, not for speed. This is for, bashing and whatnot. So that being said, a lot of fun this thing is. It did all the speeds it said it was going to do on the box. 56 out of the box on the 3S. Not geared as aggressively as a Mini XRT, which Traxxas probably learned their lesson with that, with the heating issues that some people were having. I just had a fan on it, didn't have any real issues. But yeah, a lot of fun. Nice car to look at, the RS200, one of my favorite Group B rally cars from the mid 80s. Just real cool, licensed body, super cool. Didn't think new Traxxas was going hard on these minis, but this one's actually really cool. The other ones are kind of obvious, the Max, the XRT, and the Slash. Well, this one, a little bit of a surprise to me personally, maybe not to other people, but very happy with it. It's fun to slide around with it, just like a real rally car. Yeah, get off-road, probably handles just as good, and yeah, we'll have some fun with it. They'll probably see it in a couple more videos in the future, but yeah, go out and get you one, guys. I do like this one. That being said, catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.